Your customer sent a ticket 2 days ago and nobody on your team knows they're still waiting. Without SLA policies, there are no deadlines, no alerts, and no way to know a ticket is about to blow up until it already has. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up Zendesk SLA policies so your team always knows what's due and when. When there are no SLA targets, your support team is flying blind. Customers wait with no response estimate, agents have nothing to measure themselves against, and the tickets most at risk of breaching stay invisible until the damage is done. That cycle kills customer trust fast. Before you build your first policy, confirm you have the right plan. SLA policies are available on Zendesk Support Professional, Enterprise, and any suite growth plan or higher. You will also need admin access and a realistic sense of how fast your team can actually respond. Zendesk gives you 7 metrics to choose from. First reply. Time and next reply time are the most common starting points, covering the initial response and follow-ups. The other 5 handle things like total wait time, agent work time, and pausable timers for situations where you are waiting on a customer. To get started, open Admin Center, go to Objects and Rules, then Business Rules, and select Service Level Agreements. One important thing to know before you start building: policies are evaluated from top to bottom, and the first one that matches a ticket is the one that applies, so the order you set here matters a lot. Click Add Policy to open the creation form. Start with a name that makes the policy's purpose clear to anyone on your team, something like Standard Support or Premium SLA for VIP customers. A clear name saves a lot of confusion later when you have multiple policies running. Conditions control exactly which tickets this policy applies to. You can filter by group, channel, priority, organization, or tags, using AND logic to require all conditions or OR logic to match just one. A practical tip here is to build separate policies for email and chat, since customers typically expect faster replies in live chat. Now set your time targets. A proven starting framework is 2, 4, 8, and 16 hours for first reply time across urgent, high, normal, and low priorities. Start conservative because setting unrealistic targets just leads to constant breaches and frustrated agents. You can always tighten them once you see real performance data. Choose whether to measure time in business hours or calendar hours. Business hours only count time during your actual working schedule, so a 2-hour target on a Friday afternoon does not expire until Monday morning. For most support teams, business hours is the right choice unless you genuinely provide 24/7 coverage. For first reply time and next reply time, Zendesk offers optional advanced settings that give you fine control over when timers start and stop. You can choose whether internal notes trigger the clock, whether voicemail tickets are included, and what actions count as fulfilling the SLA. These are worth reviewing if your team does significant internal collaboration before customers see a reply. Once your policies are live, a few habits will make them work much better. First, use a trigger to automatically set ticket priority on every new ticket, because any ticket without a priority gets no SLA at all. Also add SLA columns to your agent views, so your team always sees which tickets are closest to breaching, and review your breach rates every quarter to adjust targets as your team grows. Setting up SLA policies defines your targets, but actually hitting them requires your agents to respond fast. That is where eesel AI helps. It connects to your Zendesk and generates a ready-to-send draft reply in seconds, pulling from your knowledge base and past tickets so agents spend time reviewing instead of writing from scratch. Teams using eesel AI see a significant drop in first reply time without adding headcount. You now have everything you need to build SLA policies that give your team clear targets and your customers a better experience. If you want help hitting those targets consistently, try eesel AI free at eesel.ai. No credit card required.